What's up, guys? So we're back with another video for a carbon fiber piece. Today's, I think I said on the last video, did I say on the last video that we were gonna get carbon fiber mirror caps? Nah. Oh, so I went back with the boy Daily 335 to get another carbon fiber piece, and oh shit, my bad for the lighting, but it is gonna be some carbon fiber mirror caps, a full replacement, not the caps like the ones that you could get for a G35, but a full replacement. And basically it's gonna complement on the sides. Right here, the carbon fiber side skirts extensions, and this is how it looks.
We go towards the lighting.
But this is the right hand one, the driver's side. Alright guys, before we get started, sorry about the background songs, you guys could hear them. But so as you guys can see, do you guys see the fitment on this one? This is the passenger side. You guys see the fitment, right? It's not the greatest fitment, and it is, wait,
it's wobbly, no?
It's not as sturdy as this side. Look, you see, there's play with it, and if I do it harder, it'll for sure come off. And then if I go to the passenger side, look at the fitment. That's pretty OEM fitment if you ask me, because you could see how like where it's burnt, it doesn't show like glossier paint, because right here's where it's like all like deteriorated. But look at this, that shit is not coming off at all. Well, obviously if I fucking yank it, it's gonna come off, but as you can see, I'm doing much more force than I was doing on the other side, and it's not coming off. So hopefully I'm able to take these off with without damaging them, to actually be able to sell them. So if you guys are trying to buy them, let me know. I'll probably even ship them. But I'm gonna show you guys how to get this fitment for these. These are like kind of the M style, not M3, but like these are personally more aggressive, much better. And so yeah, I'm gonna take them off and show you guys what you guys need to do to get them. Alright guys, so my bad, it gets dark so fucking fast here and the timing's kind of off. But so what you want to do, if you have these style and then the other ones also, the OEM ones, if you look down here, there's like a little bump. Well, on the OEM ones, there's much more of a bump. But right here, you want to pry it from the bottom with just your fingers, or yeah, I just did it with my fingers and pried it downwards and then out. Not too hard and not too light, so just do it slowly and start mounting. So from the bottom up, once it's gonna hear a pop, don't be scared, don't be shy. And then you want to be very careful, so especially if you're trying to sell them afterwards. And then I have one of these, much better, the trim, what are they called?
What?
The ones that they use to take off the trim. And as you can see, look, I just did it with my fingers right now. I didn't even use this shit. But for the OEM ones, I think you will need it. So I just popped it from the bottom and then grabbed it right here on this big part right here, and just kind of did like that. I don't think it broke anything.
Oh damn, low key, that OEM look right there, like that. That's just fucking sick.
You're doing it, the audio's fucking up. What is that shit, the plane?
Yo, honestly, I think we should leave them like this, no?
Little transformer looking shit.
Transformer look, look at that, it matches the paint.
Alright guys, so look, check it out. So when I was with Daily 335, he showed me a little quick tip. So if you have these and they don't fit OEM, you want to cut these little tabs. Can you see on the camera? These little tabs right here, not the whole thing, like these little like boner joints type, like right here, this little thing coming out, like you feel it. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you could, right here, this thing. And kind of do it like this, where you delete it. You could cut it and then sand it, but you want to make sure it's the one that's closest to this little triangle piece. So it would be this one on the driver's side. You see how this thing is closer to this one? Is the closest one to these? And then you want to get it like that. Look how it's trimmed. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it if you guys want.
For that perfect fitment.
So I'm doing it with my hands. You could do it with the machine, but you just gotta be careful not to look like right here. If I would have went like this by accident to the carbon fiber, you would have scratched the fuck out of the clear coat.
Oh yeah?
So just be careful, guys, and then just sand it down. It might take a while, but should get there. Alright, so shortly after, like what, a minute after sanding it, you see how it's flat? You got it? So you just want to sand it as much as you can so it could be like flat, so it could be just one piece without the little bump. And then, so it's the same as the one that I just had on, but this one was just cut off, but this one's sanding down smoother. So right now we're gonna check it out and see if it pops on good. What you guys want to make sure to put this shit on first. So slide it in like that, get it as close as to the actual frame. Jiggle it, and you see how it's pretty close. Alright, so a little quick tip. I ran into a little difficulty because I thought it was from the bottom up, because I think, I'm not gonna claim that Daily 335 told me bottom up, but I was like, you know what, since we're trying to fix the fitment from up here, put it from the top down. And he probably even said that, but that's just so you guys can know. And look at the fitment, guys. Come check it out. Throw it here. Look at that OEM fitment. Look at this. Look at that. My little veins are coming out and shit. Look at that. You know, I ain't too buff, but look at that, guys. And to extra secure, you just press it down a little more. If you hear any cracks, there's good cracks, but check it out. Let me clean it up. Make sure you clean your carbon fiber, because you're gonna see a lot of fingerprints, because these shits have like a clear coat. Check it out, guys. Look at that glistening. You see that reflection? That's
the side skirts.
Shit. You guys, so my bad that I always have to end videos in the night, but check it out. Damn, that shit looking fucking crispy as shit. Look at that fitment. Sheesh. That's that OEM fitment right there. My bad, I had to turn the shit so you guys can see the side skirt extensions. This is the other side. As well, OEM fitment. Looking crispy as shit. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys think it looks good. Well, actually, I don't care because I think it looks good. But if you need something like this, go ahead and hit up Daily 335 for your carbon fiber needs. And also, let me know what I should do next.